Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Light Mulberry and Black. People have been buying this shoe like crazy, ladies, small feet gang. It's a pretty good colorway in my opinion. Matches good with blue jeans, black jeans, a whole bunch of all the fall colors that are coming out. So, recommend if you guys are getting into the fall colors. Hold on one second, guys. Let me let my cat out before he starts caterwauling. Oh, forget it. Yeah, the materials on this shoe are actually pretty decent. They don't feel too hard. Nice suede. I've seen worse colorways on the Jordan before, especially on the women's Jordan. Ladies, they're trying to get you guys into the Jordans like the rest of us. They said they could sell Jordans double. For men and women, I guess that doubles your money. Gotta cut these phones off when I make videos, guys. I apologize. I have too many phones. Yeah, this is a pretty good Jordan in my opinion. Got some top acts. We got a little bit of damage on this Jordy too, but nothing major. You see right about there. Not really major. Tumbled leather toe. Fabric tongue. Tumbled leather side panel. Suede Nike swoosh. Mulberry suede on all this. I guess that's what they're calling it. Black Jordan logo. It's all mulberry back to the back upper. All this is suede. Oh, it feels so soft and luxurious. Same on this panel. To the dark mulberry bottom. He's staying in there now. Cat's getting on my nerve. Don't get pets, guys. But yeah, I think you guys should go pick this one up. Have you guys picked this one up? Should be a lot of good shoes releasing pretty soon, so make sure you guys are staying prepared. I keep doing a lot of Jordan reserves. I hit on all the shoes on the Jordan reserve, so as soon as they get here, we'll be unboxing any that you guys haven't already seen. I got to get these shoes under control. Everything is out of control for me. I got shoes up to the ceiling everywhere I go. I only got small pathways to walk in, but that's the problems of a sneakerhead that actually likes the sneakers, not just buying them to sell them and culture vulture. But guys, let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel. Make sure you guys stay safe. Have a nice day out there. Woo! Ladies, get to buying Jordans.
Everybody fucking jump!